Hello students, this video lecture is for class 6, subject science, lesson first, and this is the part second. And in the first part we have learned about the characteristics of living things, and now in this part we will be going through characteristics of non-living things. So let's start. Non-living things. You see hundreds of non-living things every day. These things share one important characteristic, that they are all forms of matter. Matter is what the world is made of. All non-living things such as table, chair, book, pen, pencil, car and machine consist of matter. In this background, the general characteristics of matter or non-living things are as under. So, what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. So all non-living things have this one particular characteristic, that they are all forms of matter. Forms of matter, let me tell you that there are three forms of matter: solid, liquid and gas. So now see the characteristics of non-living things. First is mass. The most important general property of matter is that it has mass. All the objects around you have mass, but what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. The mass of an object does not change unless some matter is either removed from the object or added to it. The amount of mass in all kinds of matter is not same. For example, iron has more amount of mass than aluminium and gold. Mass is measured in units called grams, kilograms. The mass of this book is around 200 grams. So now here is an activity to prove that all three balls of the same volume or size, but they all the three balls weigh differ. So there are three balls of same size or volume. One is made up of iron, another is made up of aluminium, and third one is made up of gold. So which one will be the heaviest? Of course, the iron one will be the heaviest because it has more mass in it. And wood will be the lightest because it has the least mass in the same size. Now let's move to the next part, which is volume. Let's use the book in your hand to help you discover another general property of matter. Suppose you wrap a piece of paper around the entire book. Then take out the book from the wrapper. How would you describe what is left inside the wrapper? You probably use the word space. Hence, important property of matter is that it occupies space. Hence, and when the book is occupying its space, nothing else can be in that same space. So, amount of space which an object occupies is called its volume. The unit used to express volumes are liter, milliliter, cubic centimeter, etc. So all the non-living things occupies space, as given in this example is the example of your book. It also occupies space, and how much space does it occupy? To find out, cover your book with a paper and then remove the book. What left inside that wrapper or paper is the space this book has covered. Now let's move to weight. Weight is another general property of matter. Mass is the reason that an object has weight. In order to understand what weight is, you must know about gravity. You notice that when a ball is thrown up in the air, it soon falls to the ground. And you know that an apple that drops off a tree falls down, not up. The ball and the apple fall to earth because of the earth's force of attraction for them. The force of attraction on object is called gravity. The pull of gravity on an object determines its weight. On the earth, your weight is a direct measure of the earth's force pulling you towards its surface. The pull of gravity between two objects weakens as the distance between their center becomes greater. So, at a high altitude, for example, on top of a tall mountain, you actually weigh less than on the surface of the earth. So, what is weight? Weight is the amount of force by which you are pulled towards the center of earth, and that force or pull is known as gravity. And the gravity of an object determines on two factors. First is distance between the center of the two objects, and second factor is the mass of an object. If the mass of an object is greater, the gravity will be greater. If the distance between the two objects is less, the gravity will be more. If the distance is more, the gravity will be less. Now let's move to the mass and weight. Mass does not change with a change in location. So no matter what happens to the force of gravity, mass stays the same and only the weight changes. For the above properties, a more comprehensive definition of matter has emerged, and it is anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. So what this paragraph is saying that is mass remains always constant unless and until something is added or removed, but the weight changes according to the location. For example, if your weight is here on the earth is 60 kg, but if you weigh yourself on the moon, your weight will be 10 kg. So weight changes according to the location. Your weight on earth is if 60, then you will weigh 10 kg on moon. So here is the final definition of the matter is anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. So students, this is your part second of the lesson first, science class 6. Next there will be also a part second where will we go through density. Thank you.